Hi guys, my name is Samuel, Super Forex Technical Analyst. Today shall be looking at gold versus US dollar on the 4 hours time frame. And today we shall be talking about how to identify the strength of a trend using price action strategy. First and foremost, let's draw the support, resistance levels, and trend lines. This is resistance here, that was support here, and also resistance here. Let's draw trend lines. Nice. Now, to identify the strength of a trend, first and foremost, you need to identify a trend. And we can clearly see that we are dealing with an uptrend. You can see that this is an uptrend. Swing high and swing low tells you the direction of a trend. This is high, this is swing high, this is swing high, swing high, swing high. This is low, swing low, swing low, swing low, swing low. We can see that each swing high is higher than the previous swing high, and swing low is also higher than the previous swing low. This is high. This is higher high. This is higher high. You can see each high is higher than the previous high. As long as we have a new high, we are still on an uptrend. This is low. This is lower high. This is lower high. Each low is higher than the previous low. Now, trending and retracement shows the strength of or weakness of a trend. And I'll show you here what I mean in a second. Trending move should have large body candles than the retracement move. This is trending move. This is trending move. Trending move. Trending move. This is retracement move. Retracement move. Now, we have large candles here on trending move. You can see we have large candles on trending move than retracement move. This shows we are still on an uptrend. Now, as long as higher high is higher than the previous high, we are still on an uptrend. If we have a new high, we can confirm that we are still on an uptrend. When all these conditions are met, we can confirm that we are still on a strong uptrend. Now, what happens when swing high is lower than the previous swing high? Like here, this is higher low. This is higher high. This is lower than this one. This means the trend is broken. We no longer have a trending move. You can also see here the market broke the trend line. This is a clear indication that the market is going down. The trend is over. I hope this works for you. Thank you so much for watching.